Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a very easy and simple snowflake step by step. For this project I am using soft cotton yarn and 4.5mm hook. This is very easy and anybody can follow, even the beginners. This is the yarn that I am using for this project, which is soft and cotton, and this is my hook, 4.5mm hook. Let's get it started. Grab your yarn and wrap the yarn around your two fingers 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Don't make it too tight. This is what we call the magic ring. So now carefully insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull up the yarn through the ring, chain 1, and we are not counting this as a chain again. This is the chain 1, first one. Insert your hook, pull up the yarn, pull through one chain, and this is what we call single crochet. We're going to make 15 single crochet into the magic ring. Set your hook, pull up the yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Keep doing until you reach the end. If you don't know how to do the single crochet, I'll leave a link below. You can have a look later. I have a tutorial. When you reach the end, we're going to make a slip knot. Yeah, just right here. Insert your hook, pull up the yarn and pull through your loop. And here we're going to make a cluster, double crochet, 4 double crochet cluster, yarn over, insert our hook, pull up the yarn, again yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn 4 times and pull through all the loops on your hook, yarn over and chain 1. We're going to make another 4 chains here. Insert your hook and slip knot. Again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 slip knot into the same space. Chain 4. One, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to make a slip knot into the same space. Chain 2, and we're going to do the double crochet cluster 4 times. This is the first one, second one, third one, and the last one. And pull through all the loops on your hook and chain 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. We're going to make a 1 slip knot in this space right here, slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip knot into the same space. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 slip knot into the same space. Here I made the mistake. I forgot to make a 2 double crochet, 2 chains. So don't forget to make a 2 double crochet and start a cluster. Before you start the 4 cluster, always make a 2 chains and join it. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern. We have 2 on this is the third one. You can make another 4 times. And that's it. This is your simple crocheted snowflakes. And thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again in another beautiful video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. If anything is not clear, comment below and I will help you. Thank you.